Want to learn how to install high-tech security systems? Or dreaming of becoming a certified CCTV technician? Great news! Our second batch of CCTV installation and networking course is now open for enrollment, and we have a 50% discount offer for you. This is a limited slot only. Don't miss this limited time offer opportunity. Imagine installing advanced security cameras, configuring networks, and accessing live footage from anywhere in the world. Exciting, right? With our CCTV installation and networking training course, you will learn everything from basic to professional level. From setting up surveillance systems to mastering network configurations and more. Whether you want to change your career, need extra income, or simply to upgrade your CCTV installation and networking skills, this course is the perfect choice. Our instructors will guide you step by step with real-world practical activities designed to build your confidence and skills. The class is once a week only, every Friday 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And once you complete the training, you will receive a certificate from ICSA. Seats are limited. To reserve your slot, fill out the course reservation link in the caption or message me on WhatsApp at +965507723. Look for Miss Michelle or +96599302850 for Miss Rachel. Thank you for watching. This is Miss Michelle from ICC Kuwait, your partner